Hello, beautiful you natural sisters, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. And of course, if you are one of my subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for all your support. Today, we are about to do a very simple and easy and cute hairstyle. All you would need to be able to accomplish this hairstyle is your close and open bobby pin. So let's go ahead and sit and let's get started. So from the back, this is how I started. I took a little bit of my hair, and what I did is I rolled it. And after you're done rolling it, you're going to tuck it under your hair and you pin it up. So again, if you really enjoy my natural sisters, if you want to learn how I was able to achieve this cute hairstyle, please keep watching. It is so easy, but trust me, it is so cute. Once you're done creating this hairstyle, oh my goodness, you will be loving your hair. So keep watching. And again, if you are one of my subscribers, I really want to thank you. Please keep sharing with another natural sister. If my subscribers gets to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure that you tell a friend, tell a sister, tell a family member to join the beautiful you family. Thank you so much. So keep watching to learn how I was able to achieve this. And I want to say that I hope your day is going by so good. And if you are going through anything, I am telling you that everything is going to be fine. The storm comes, but eventually the storm end up leaving. So keep hanging on tight, and God is surely going to do something good.